Mr. Jason, please bring me some coffee. Your coffee, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. It was an accident. An accident? You've ruined everything. Please forgive me. I'll fix it. Please, it was a mistake. I have a family to feed. Give me a second chance. A mistake? You cost us the client. Please, sir, I beg you. No more chances. I don't want to see you anymore. Please leave my company. I understand. I'm leaving.
Mom, what is happening? These past few days we have only had a little bread to eat. Your father is going through a difficult time. Right now he does not have enough money. Take it, Dad. I give it to you. I am not hungry.
Thank you, Vanessa. Eat your bread. I am not hungry at all.
Come, Vanessa. We are going to leave. I cannot live like this anymore. No, I want to stay with my brother. Eli, come and help me. Vanessa, honey, calm down. I don't want to go. Eli, help me. What? Is that Vanessa's voice? I want to stay with my brother. Vanessa, we have to go. Please don't separate us. I don't have a choice. We have to go now. I don't want to leave.
We'll be okay.
Don't go! Why is Mom leaving Dad and me? Is it because has no money anymore? Dad, things must change now. We must not give up. Mom left us, but you and I will become stronger, okay?
I must fight and do my best.
Yes, Papa!
Welcome. Please come and sit down and you will tell me what happened.
Thank you, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Now, tell me everything. A family must help each other in difficult times. Even little Vanessa shows compassion.
Just one more stroke.
It's so beautiful!
Yes, it's perfect now. Our painting is ready to sell. Let's find a buyer. Painting for sale. Come take a look.
Oh, that's a lovely painting. Would you like to buy it?
It's very nice, but not today. Are you sure? It's a good deal.
Maybe next time.
Vanessa, why are you not eating?
I don't want to eat without my brother.
Oh, my dear. We miss him too.
It was too hard for me, Mom.
I know, dear. It's okay. You are vulnerable alone, but together you can shine again. Together we can do great things.
I am sorry, Mom.
I forgive you, dear.
Hey, Mr. Painter, I have a painting job for you. If you're interested, you can do it. Really? Thank you so much.
Wow, we're saved!
But I need at least 4 people. The job has to be done quickly. You'll have to arrange 2 more people to do this work.
We are only 2. What are we going to do?
You are vulnerable alone, but together with me you can shine again. Do not forget, my daughter.
I am sorry, Mom.
It's all right. I am here with you.
I am really sorry. I am ashamed of what I did.
It's okay, we forgive you. One, two, three, 4. Good, great, you can start.
It's finished. The murals are complete.
They look beautiful. Great job, everyone.
Yes, I'm so happy with it.
Wow, what incredible artwork. You all did this? It's truly magnificent. Congratulations. Here's your reward for all your hard work. Congratulations. Wow, thank you so much.
Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Yay, we're rich. Thank you. This is the best. Welcome to today's fun classroom quiz. Let's get started. Welcome to today's fun classroom quiz. Why does the family eat only bread? Is it A, B, C, or D? You have 5 seconds. Time's up. The answer is B. They are very poor and have no other food. Great job! Let's start our fun quiz. Who does Vanessa want to stay with? Is it Eli, Mia, or her pet dog? You have 5 seconds to decide. Time's up. The answer is Eli. Yes, Vanessa wants to stay with her brother Eli. Welcome to today's fun classroom quiz. Why did Mr. Jason lose his job? Was he late, brought his pet, slept in meetings, or argued with his boss? Time's up. The answer is C. He slept during meetings. Here's our question. What does the client want? Let's look at the options. And the correct answer is A. The client wants their needs understood. Last question. How does it end? The options are A, B, and C. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The correct answer is B. They work together. Hooray! A happy ending for the family. We did it together.
Yes, together we're unstoppable.
I love our family. Me too. We're the best.